Aggression in pet pigeons often surprises owners, because pigeons are generally calm, gentle, and social birds. They rarely display overt hostility, and even small pecks or wing flaps can seem alarming. Yet, like all animals, pigeons have instincts, natural triggers, and communication methods that may manifest as biting, pecking, or other behaviors that humans perceive as aggressive. Understanding why a pigeon acts aggressively requires careful observation, knowledge of pigeon behavior, and attention to environmental, social, and health-related factors. Aggression is rarely random. It is typically a signal, a reaction, or a defensive mechanism. Correctly interpreting aggression is essential to prevent escalation, maintain trust, and ensure the bird's safety and well-being. Fear is one of the most common triggers of aggression in pigeons. As prey animals, pigeons rely on vigilance, flight, and avoidance to survive in the wild. When a pigeon feels cornered, startled, or threatened, it may respond defensively with biting or pecking. Even a domesticated pigeon that is normally calm retains these instincts. The bite is rarely meant as punishment or hostility. It is a protective reaction. Signs that a pigeon is fearful include fluffed feathers, crouching, rapid head movements, wing flicking, or an alert posture. Recognizing these cues allows the owner to respond appropriately by giving the pigeon space, speaking softly, or retreating to prevent escalation. Sudden movements, loud noises, or unfamiliar environments can easily trigger fear-based aggression, which is why a calm, predictable presence is important in handling pigeons. Territorial behavior is another major cause of aggression. Pigeons, particularly males, are highly territorial. They establish and defend areas they consider safe, including perches, feeding zones, cages, and nesting sites. Approaching too closely, attempting to move the bird, or encroaching on a preferred space can provoke pecking, wing flapping, or chasing. Territorial aggression intensifies during the breeding season, when a pigeon is protecting a mate, nest, or eggs. Females may also display territorial behavior, especially around nesting areas. Understanding and respecting the bird's preferred spaces, providing multiple perches and feeding stations, and creating safe retreat areas reduces territorial conflicts. Offering several feeding points and resting spots in multi-bird households can help minimize aggressive encounters and maintain harmony among pigeons. Hormonal changes and breeding instincts also contribute to aggressive behavior. Male pigeons become more assertive when courting or guarding a mate. They may peck at hands, clothing, or other pigeons, spread their wings, coo loudly, and perform dominance displays. Females, while generally less aggressive, may act defensively during incubation or while caring for chicks. These behaviors are natural, temporary, and predictable. Recognizing them prevents misinterpretation as random hostility. Adjusting interaction times, avoiding handling nesting birds, and maintaining a calm environment helps reduce stress-induced aggression. Health issues can be a hidden but significant cause of aggression. Pain, discomfort, or illness can make even the most gentle pigeon irritable and prone to biting. Injuries to wings or legs, overgrown nails, digestive upset, respiratory infections, or parasitic infestations can all trigger defensive behavior. Subtle behavioral changes often precede overt aggression, including flinching, reluctance to move, or unusual posture. Regular health checks, careful observation of eating and drinking habits, and routine veterinary examinations help detect these issues early, allowing intervention before aggression escalates. Addressing health problems promptly not only improves the bird's comfort but also reduces the likelihood of fear or pain-based aggression. Fear of restraint is another common trigger. Many pigeons are uncomfortable with being held or confined. If a bird associates handling with previous discomfort, sudden movements, or stress, it may bite when approached. Gradual, gentle handling combined with positive reinforcement teaches the pigeon that human contact is safe and enjoyable. Abrupt or forceful attempts to restrain a pigeon usually worsen fear-based aggression, leading to mistrust and long-term defensive behavior. Offering treats, speaking softly, and allowing the pigeon to choose interaction fosters trust and reduces aggressive reactions. Frustration and overstimulation can also result in biting or aggressive behavior. Pigeons have limited ways to express displeasure. If a bird is overcrowded, lacks exercise, or is forced into prolonged social interaction, it may communicate discomfort through pecking, chasing, or wing flapping. Overstimulation can also occur during training or play sessions if the bird's tolerance is exceeded. Observing signs of fatigue, stress, or agitation, pacing interactions appropriately, and allowing choice in activity helps prevent aggression. Providing a calm environment, regular exercise, and sufficient space for exploration is essential for reducing frustration-based behavior. Environmental factors, including noise, sudden movement, and unfamiliar people or animals, often trigger defensive or startled reactions. Pigeons have acute vision and sensitive hearing, meaning stimuli that humans consider minor may be perceived as threats. Gradual exposure to new stimuli, controlled introductions to people or pets, and safe perches for observation reduce stress-related aggression. Keeping the environment predictable and calm allows pigeons to feel secure. Decreasing the likelihood of defensive behaviors, social dynamics within multi-pigeon households must also be considered. Pigeons naturally establish hierarchies and compete for resources such as food, water, perches, and attention. Dominance disputes may result in pecking, chasing, or occasional squabbles. Providing multiple feeding areas, perches, and retreat spaces reduces competition and minimizes conflict. Observing flock interactions allows owners to identify dominant and submissive birds, helping to manage housing and care in a way that supports social harmony. Improper reinforcement can unintentionally encourage biting or pecking. If a pigeon learns that aggressive behavior results in attention, avoidance of a handler, or food, it may repeat the behavior. Careful observation, consistent responses, and positive reinforcement for calm behavior help redirect communication into acceptable forms. Rewarding patience, gentle interaction, and non-aggressive behavior is more effective than punishment, which often exacerbates fear, stress, and defensive aggression. Training and behavioral management are essential in preventing and managing aggression. Teaching a pigeon to trust handling, recognize boundaries, and anticipate daily routines reduces fear and frustration-driven behavior. Gradual desensitization, patience, and consistency are key. Introducing touch slowly, pairing handling with treats, and allowing the pigeon control over interactions fosters trust. Maintaining predictable routines, calm vocal tones, and controlled exposure to environmental stimuli further supports a secure and confident bird. Subtle behavioral cues often precede aggression. Feather ruffling, rapid head movements, wing flicking, crouching, foot tapping, and partial cooing may indicate stress or irritation. Recognizing these early signals allows the owner to intervene before a bite occurs, protecting both bird and human. Understanding body language is crucial because pigeons, as prey animals, rely heavily on visual cues to assess threats and respond quickly. Attentive observation is the foundation of safe, positive interactions. In conclusion, aggression in pet pigeons is rarely random. It is most often driven by fear, territorial instincts, hormonal changes, health issues, overstimulation, environmental stress, social dynamics, or reinforcement patterns. Understanding the causes, observing subtle behavioral cues, and responding appropriately ensures safe and positive interactions. Aggression is a form of communication, not malice. Correct interpretation allows owners to maintain trust, encourage natural behaviors, and support both emotional and physical well-being. A patient, informed, and observant approach fosters confident, calm, and emotionally secure pigeons that can enjoy human interaction, companionship, and environmental enrichment without conflict. By providing safe spaces, consistent routines, appropriate social structures, and gentle, positive handling, owners help their pigeons thrive, reducing aggression and promoting healthy, happy, and harmonious lives.